Thank you for tuning in. My name's Alfredo. I'm here with Canada's Boss Leather. I'm part of the family. I'm responsible for every single order that leaves our factory and leaves the province. First and foremost, I just want to thank you for tuning in and watching this video. We've put together a lot of information and key points that you need to know that will make you feel the utmost comfort when you're ordering a piece from us over the phone. And a lot of people don't know this, but over 70% of our orders today come from over the phone orders. That's right, these clients don't even step foot into our showroom and order through us over the phone. We ship a ton. We ship so much that we have a full truckload leaving our factory weekly going to various parts of North America. Maybe going to Calgary, maybe going to Vancouver, Edmonton, Halifax, you name it. We also ship a ton south of the border, New York, New Jersey, Boston. We do a ton in Florida and different cities there. We also do a huge amount on the West Coast, all of California. And I get it. You're calling in wondering, how am I going to do this? How am I going to pick the best piece when I can't even come into the showroom? Well, that's where we come into play. The first step is having a conversation with one of our family members, like myself, my cousin Rob, or my Uncle Ralph, and we'll take you through step by step everything you need to know and give you the peace of mind to place your order. How does this all work? A good place to start is checking out our website. If you're not savvy with computers, that's okay. You can give us a call and we can have this conversation live. We are going to learn a lot about you. Everything we can, every detail. We're going to learn how tall you are, how you sit on your pieces, how you use your pieces. We're going to get photos of your space. Photos of your space will help us visualize what you're trying to achieve and allow us to make recommendations on style, look, fit, finish, and the tone of leathers that would be best suited for your space. The most important thing to get started is booking the space on the truck. We're filling up these trucks, and often you can get promotional, discounted shipping rates. We start with a small deposit that goes towards your order. It secures our sale and secures that spot on the truck. This way you have the peace in mind knowing that you're getting the absolute best shipping rate. That rate is locked in. From there, to make this experience even more real for you, we send you an ample array of leather samples in desired tonality. After you receive those leathers, we get on another call with you and have another consultation. We talk about which leather is going to be best for your application. How is this leather going to look 5 years, 10 years from now? Is this leather pet friendly? Is it scratch resistant? Is it stain resistant? Can I eat and drink on my piece? All of these things and all of these details we go through with you to make sure you are making the best decision. You never have to worry about, I wonder if Boss Leather has the right leather that I'm looking for, or I wonder if Boss Leather has that specific color that I'm looking for and can't seem to find. We have access to any single leather that you can think of. Any single leather that's out there on the market, we can get. And that is just a factor of being in business as long as we have and doing the volume of business that we've had. So we have great relationships with our suppliers. It is never a challenge to get you the leather that you're looking for. Once you pick your leather, we're off to the races. We start by ordering the base materials. Our local Canadian maple hardwood gets ordered in specifically for your piece, and the frame construction begins. We order the foam and fill, again from Canadian manufacturers, specifically cut and designed for your piece. We order the spring work, the steel that comes from a Canadian manufacturer as well. The beautiful thing, when your order begins to be built, the same artisan who starts your piece finishes it. So whether it's Joe, Jose, Marco, Angelo, Jeff, whoever starts it will be finishing your piece. Once everything is done, we send you beautiful photos from our factory, 360-degree angle shots, just so you can see all the details, all the intricacies that went into your piece. Once you give us the green light, it's time to ship it to you. Now, we don't just send the sofa. We have a specialty wrapping program where we triple wrap it with high durability plastic wrap, industrial grade cardboard on the corners, leave the legs off if needed, and use a very high density, high quality furniture bag to finish it off. When it comes to home delivery, we always do our best to offer you the full service delivery, but we'll put two options in front of you. You have either a curbside delivery. That's where you still get an appointment, so the truck doesn't just show up. You get a call, they book a delivery appointment with you, but it is one driver coming. That one driver will lower the piece or pieces to the ground, then it is up to you to bring those pieces up and inside your home. The other level of service is what we always strive for and try our best to get you a promotional offer on, and that is the full white glove service. This is where you get an appointment, you get two delivery technicians. The technicians will bring the piece or pieces up and inside your home in room of choice and take away all the wrapping. It doesn't get any better than that. Whatever shipping service you decide to go with, you will have the peace of mind that we're using professional moving companies that handle our furniture all day long. And I'm happy to tell you there is never any damage when we deliver our pieces. It is 100% damage free every single time. And that's because we're using the best specialty moving carriers and have had 30 years of experience to go through and filter which ones will ultimately give the tender love and care to our pieces it deserves. I hope this video gave you a ton of information and makes you feel a lot more comfortable in ordering one of our pieces. Give us a call today, speak with one of our family members, and we'll go through the motions with you step by step to give you all the confidence you need to get one of our beautiful pieces in your space today.